we're asked to find angle ADB. Angle ADB, so we are looking for this. So now let's relate what we are given to what we are not given. This is a parallel line. This is a these two lines are parallel. So once I know this, if I know this and I've known this, eventually we'll know this. So we need to get this first. So you notice that this by alternate interior angle, this angle must be equal to this, and we relate it to this. So we check that here must be 25. Why? Particle angle theorem. So that's the first angle we'll get here. So the next thing is to get this one, which is also 25. Why? Alternate interior angle theorem. So the next thing is to get the remaining one, which is this, by angle sum theory, which therefore here is now 180 minus 120 plus 25 by angle sum theory for triangle. This is a triangle, so once you sum it must give us 180. It is 60 minus 25 is 35. So it should be 35. Yes, that's our answer. So these questions are simple. It's just we need to remember, just find the transversal and also parallel lines. So if you notice, we have 3 parallel lines here. We're asked to find KBE. So we are looking for KBE. So we are looking for this. So eventually, if we know this and this, we've known this, we use angle sum theory for trying to get the remaining. So the first thing we get here is this. This is 50. You know why? This is a parallel line. These two lines are parallel. This is a transversal. So by angle BKE is 50 degrees. Why? Alternate interior angle theorem. So that's the first thing we know here. So the next thing again, this is a parallel line. This is a parallel line. This is a transversal. Check it. So this is a transversal. So you notice that here is 70. Because check, this is a parallel line. This is 70. This is a parallel line. This is a parallel line. This is a transversal. This is also a transversal. So this corresponds to this. So I'm saying that angle BEK is 70. Why? Corresponding angle theorem. So therefore, what we are looking for is now angle KBE must give us 60 degrees. Why? Angle sum theory for triangle. Angle sum theorem for triangle. So that's the thing. That's the answer. So the next one, we are asked to find. We are given this diagram. We are asked to find angle AEF. Angle AEF. So we are looking for this. So if you know this is an exterior angle, so once we know the remote interior angle, we've known this. So next thing is to get this. And how do you get this? This is a parallel. These two lines are, this is a transversal. So I need to know this. If I know this, we have known this. So from here, this is 60. You know why? Angle on a straight line. Linear pair postulate. So that's it. So here is eventually 60. Why? Alternate interior angle theorem. So finally, this is, if you add this to 85, 25 plus 60, which is 85. Why? Exterior angle theorem, which states that the sum of the remote interior angle equals the exterior angle. So that's our answer. Our answer is 85. So please always relate the given to the unknown. That's how you get it. We have to find CD, CDE, CDE. So we are looking for this. There is one thing I need to, without wasting time, I've known this, the answer. There is a theorem that states that if you add whatever that is here to this, you get 360. Okay, let me show you how. If you draw a parallel line, a line that is parallel to so we draw a line that is parallel to AB and ED. So from here now, we've noticed, remember this is a parallel line. You can extend it. Also, you can extend this also. So you notice this is a parallel line. So meaning that here is 120. Alternate interior angle. Yes, this is what also here. What we are looking, let's call it theta, must be equal to here. So we'll now form angle at a point. So I'm saying that if you add 50 plus 120 plus theta must give us 360. So from today, whenever you see something like this and you are to add, you are giving on, as far as they're on the same side, if you add everything, it must be 360. So theta is now, this is 17, this is 170, so 17. So I think, so the answer is 190. Theta is 190. So that's our answer. So the next question we are given, we asked to find angle ABD. ABD. So we are looking for this. Let's call it theta. So but before then, let's relate what we are given to what we are not given. So if I draw a parallel line, let me add an auxiliary line here, a line that is parallel to that. So you notice that our form here is 50. You know why? Alternate angle theorem. So here is 50, alternate interior angle, here is 50. So what is remaining here should be 20, because 70, the total was 70. So this should be 20, because remember the total is 70. Again, if you draw another parallel line, so again it will split this. Okay, let's extend this line. So you notice that here is 60 degree by angle on a straight line. So you notice that here is 20, this angle is 20, this 20 degree. Why here is 60? So the answer is 80. by alternate angle to interior angle. So here 60, here 60, here 20, here 20. So my answer is 60 plus 20. The answer is 8. So our angle ABD is 18. So that's it. So the next question we are given, we're asked to find B. Find B if you are given this angle ABC. Sorry, we are asked to find angle ABC. But before we solve, we need to draw an auxiliary line. If you check, this question resembles the other one. They are similar. This is a parallel line. So check. Let me draw a parallel line. I've drawn it. So from once we've drawn this, you notice that here it must be 60 degrees by corresponding angle theorem. Here is 60, here is 60. So we asked to find B. So remember, they told us that angle ABC is 144. So meaning that here is 84 to make it 144. AB, so if you add the two, it must give us 144. Finally, B is 84 because it corresponds to this. So here and here are the same by corresponding angle theorem. So the answer is 84. So the next question, we are given this. We are asked to find the value of x. We are asked to find the value of x. The only way I can, this is a parallel. So let me extend this parallel line. Let me extend this line. So I've extended this line. So you notice that since I've known this 60, this 3s, once I have known this, once I know this, I've known because this is an exterior angle. So I now use the exterior angle theorem to get it. So once I've known this, the value of it. So this x here should be, okay, this x here should be x. Y here should be 180 minus x. Xx that the interior here is also 180 minus x. You know why? Vertical angle theorem. That's why. Vertical angle theorem. So I'm saying that therefore now if you add, we've known the two remote interior angles, so which implies that 3x must be equal to 180 minus x plus 60. Y, exterior angle theorem. So we are looking for x, so this minus x, so comes over 3x plus x is 4x. This 180 plus 60, 240. Therefore our x is 60. So 240 over 4 is 60. So here is x is 60. So our answer is A. So the next question, we are asked to find if AC and BC are angle bisectors, then Z is what? We are asked to find Z. So the next, we are asked, this is an angle bisector, meaning it divides this angle into two congruent angles. That's, I'm saying that here is Y. Since AC is an angle bisector, it divides the angle here, angle GAB, into two equal angles. So here is also X, because the angle bisectors. We are now looking for Z. Okay. From here again, this is a triangle. So if you add x plus y plus z must give us 180. Angle sum theory for triangle. Angle sum theorem for triangle. Again, look, if I now add If I draw an auxiliary line to this, that's a line parallel to, if I do a line parallel to that, you notice that here is y corresponding, alternate angle theorem, and also here is x. Do you see? So I'm saying that z must be equal to x plus y from the diagram. Here is x and here is y, and they have told us that this equals 180. So I'm saying that z is now y is z, so z plus z must be 180. Do you get? I replace x plus y with z because from the diagram is correct. So 2z is 180. Therefore z is 90. Do you get? Just from the auxiliary line, I drew an auxiliary line that is parallel to this and this. That's how we got this. So z is 90 degrees. So the next question, we're asked to find the value of x. It has to find the value of x. So the same way, if you draw an the only way I can solve it is to draw an auxiliary line, extend this line. So let me use to show you is an extra. So this is it. Again, I will now extend this line. So that's what I did. So you notice that here is x. Here should be x. But this is a parallel line. This is a transversal. So this is x. Again, remember, angle on a straight line. So the total is 3x. So meaning whatever that is inside, the angle inside must be 3x minus 180. Do you get it? Angle on a straight line here is 180, but the total is 3x. So the remaining is 3x minus 180. So finally, exterior angle theorem, 80 degree must be what? X plus 3x minus 180 by exterior angle theorem. So that's what the theorem states. So x plus 3x is 4x. 180 plus that is 260. So finally x is 260 over 4, which is 625. So the answer is 65.